Today's dash cam confessional is on a not so automotive topic, but it was an interesting conversation, and the comments really stuck with me. So I thought I'd share the story of something that happened recently when I went to my local Walmart to pick up my groceries. Now here's the setup. Since the 2020 incident that shall not be named, I have taken advantage of the Walmart grocery pickup program. That's where you order your groceries and they shop for them and deliver them to you outside where you're waiting to pick them up. Now this is really convenient and it saves a lot of time for me. Well, I order my groceries and I go pick them up just like everybody else. I wait in the grocery pickup area just like everybody else. However, whenever the grocery pickup worker comes out with my order, I get out and help them load my groceries. The grocery worker hands me the groceries and I load them into my back seat of my truck the way I want them. Well, the other day I was picking up my groceries and helping the worker load them, and it was a woman who was helping me this time, and she said something that just struck me, and she says, "You are the nicest man." I said, "Really?" She said, "You sure are. You help load the groceries. You're always nice and pleasant. You're never rude or impatient when you have to wait. You are just one of the best customers." I told her, I said, "Why would I be a nasty customer or be mad at having to wait? You guys are doing me a huge favor." Now that conversation stuck with me, and I thought about it for a while, and it really made me think. Why would you be rude or impatient to the grocery pickup people? They really are doing you a favor, whether you believe it or not. Now let me explain that thought. They shop for your groceries so you don't have to search the aisles looking for what you need. You put it in the cart on the app, you order it, they go pull it and bring it out to you. You don't even have to step foot in the store. You don't have to spend time hunting the item. You don't have to worry about them having rearranged the store since the last time you were in it. Now, I don't know about you, but that is a huge service to me. So, maybe more people need to stop and think about that next time they have to wait a few extra minutes while their groceries are being brought out. Oh, and another thought. I know I'm one of the few people who help the grocery pickup workers load my groceries, but it really aggravates me when people just pull up and pop their trunk or lift gate and never get out of their car or even talk to the grocery pickup people. Or they talk through the vehicle from the front seats. That just seems a little rude to me. Now I can understand it if you're on the phone or, you've got kids sleeping in the car or something. That's fine. But if you don't, you might want to think about being a little nicer to these people. They handle your groceries. Now that's just my story. And I hope you enjoyed it. Dashboard out. Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video. Even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.